Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I've been promising you my hair growth oil recipe for a while now. I purchased all these items on Amazon. I'm gonna be making some extra so that I have a little bit extra to put on my website in case any of you guys are interested. But if you don't wanna make as much, just like cut the recipe in half. And I'll list all of these items below so that you can also do it yourself if you're interested, a little DIY. So yeah, let's get started. So I start with a stainless steel bowl. You just want to try to find something that you don't really use for food just to prevent any cross-contamination. And to this bowl, I'm going to be starting with my first ingredient. This is my base, and it is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is known for promoting hair growth as well as preventing breakage. I'm going to add 3.5 cups. My next ingredient are these dry hibiscus flowers, which hibiscus contains amino acids that can help stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which also encourages hair growth. So I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups to this mixture as well. We're basically going to infuse the castor oil with the hibiscus leaves, and there's a couple different ways you can infuse the oil. You can put this in an airtight jar and store it in a cool, dark cupboard for about 4 weeks. You can also speed up the process by heating the oil, but you don't want to boil it. So just put it very low on a saucepan or double boiler to heat the oil. And then once it's heated, slowly bring it back to room temperature. So I'm gonna bring this over to my double boiler and get it heated to infuse all these leaves. I'm gonna allow this to heat for 30 minutes, making sure it doesn't boil, and then I'll bring it back down to room temperature and strain it from there. And we're back. So this has now been infused with hibiscus and I strained it. You can use a strainer or like a cheesecloth to strain it, and you can tell that it's infused because now it kind of has like a pink tint to it. Now, next we're gonna add our essential oils, and I got these organic essential oils from Amazon. Again, I'll link everything down below. First, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of lavender oil. Lavender oil promotes hair growth and it also soothes the scalp. Soothes the scalp. It's hard to say. Next, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil. This is gonna stimulate hair follicles, and it also has a very refreshing effect on the scalp. And the last essential oil I'm gonna add is rosemary. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon as well. Rosemary helps improve circulation to the scalp, which strengthens hair at the root. So now you're just gonna stir that mixture up. Give it a really good stir. Then you can just pour it into a clean glass bottle that has a really good lid, like a lid that's tight fitting. And store it as usual in a cool place where you normally store your hair oils. I'm gonna be distributing this into several smaller bottles, which I have right here. So I'm gonna drop a couple of the dried hibiscus flowers, petals, into each bottle. And then I'm gonna fill her up. And to fill it, you can either use like a dropper or a little funnel. And several hours later, here is my yield, guys. So it took quite a while, and it is a little bit of a messy process. Of course, it gets a little bit oily, but other than that, it's pretty simple. And from here, all you have to do is apply sparingly to your scalp and hair, focusing on the root, and massage in. So hopefully you like this recipe. Let me know if you try it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and sorry it took so long. Peace.